Dudes, welcome to the DIY-er. We're giving away a couch for free. I'm looking at my brand new Courtyard. It's right behind you, and it's so pretty. Before I show it to you, I just wanna let you guys know that this is the giveaway video. I am giving away a $2,500 outer sofa. This is the best outdoor couch you will ever have. It's the couch that we have, that we're obsessed with. I am working with outer to give one away. So I'm just completely freaking out. That's gonna come in just a minute, but I do wanna talk about the Courtyard reno because so many of you have been asking, what does it finally look like? And today's the video where I get to share it. So you guys may have seen that about a year ago, we did like a big home reno. We renovated the whole main living space, the master bedroom, all sorts of stuff. But at the end of the video, we showed the backyard and kind of just said, this is the next project. Well, the time has come and the project is done. So basically, we did it as simply as we could. You don't need to do a lot to have a really usable space. We had this really bad sort of sagging brick because it wasn't in mortar and it was really hard to put furniture on. So we ripped all of that brick out and we relaid it in a really nice herringbone pattern so that it's all level and flat and much more usable and much more secure. We also ripped out the fence. There was this really pretty ivy covered fence, but the ivy actually blocked the whole back half of the backyard, which is where the pool is. So you didn't even know that space was there. So we ripped that out. We put in a brand new fence. We have all these new gorgeous seating areas. Take a look at our beautiful new updated Courtyard, which we are using every single day. You guys, welcome to not so sunny Santa Monica, California. I know this sounds weird, but I actually have a crush on a couch. A crush on the couch, a crush on the entire company. And you wanna know why they're so amazing? Because they offered to give away a couch in this video. So not only am I gonna show you why it's like the least maintenance, best, smartest couch ever to exist. That's not an exaggeration, that's actually true. But I'm also gonna tell you exactly what you need to do to enter the giveaway. You can actually get this full-size sofa for free sent to you anywhere in the country. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. Come on. Hey guys. The reason I have this deep crush on outer is actually not because of how beautiful they are, but they are. I mean, they're gorgeous. They put so much thought and detail into how the people that actually own them live. What are the 5 top most annoying things about outdoor furniture? And one by one, they checked them off the list. By the way, I am saving my best for last. The very last one is the one that actually sold me to begin with. Yeah, so Outer really wanted to incorporate as many eco-friendly and sustainable products as they could without compromising on the style and the quality at all. So what they decided to do was incorporate 300 recycled water bottles into every sofa. 100 goes into each one of these hand-woven seats, which is incredible. Yeah, while we're talking about the seat, let's talk about how strong it is. It is load bearing up to 500 pounds. Now, you might think that that's overkill and unnecessary, but what I'll tell you is someone who has kids that jumps up and down on every piece of furniture has had a seat or two that's busted open. It's never gonna break, it's not gonna rip open, and all of the steel is powder coated steel, which means you never have to worry about rust, making it perfect for outdoors. Yeah, so Terry Lynn, one of the co-founders, actually worked in product design over at Casper, which is a mattress company. And they had that in the back of their mind when they were developing these cushions. They wanted it to be as comfortable as all of the furniture inside of our home. So they added in this really great memory foam into all of their cushions. But they needed to make sure that that could be protected outside, of course. So it all goes inside of this casing, which is completely waterproof. You guys could chuck this sucker in the pool and the cushion on the inside would stay perfectly protected from all of the elements outside. Oh, wait till you see this one. So they wanted to create a really beautiful fabric that could encase everything that they had worked on. So over 10 months, they developed a beautiful fabric that not only felt soft to the touch, but that was mildew resistant, mold resistant, water resistant, sun and fade resistant, so that it could be outside. And of course, stain resistant was a big one. Guys, I am pouring black coffee on a white couch. All you need to do is wipe off the excess, add a little soapy water, dab, 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 and it will come right out.
What? You freaking kidding me? Now this was the big sell. This is the element of the sofa that sold me from the get-go. I am not someone that's gonna cover my furniture. I don't have the energy for it. I just know I'm not gonna do it. This is the ultimate solution. They actually patented this. It was a simple solution that makes a huge difference. Take a look at this.
So on the back of every seat cushion is a built-in cover. It's rolled up neatly in the back and it's attached by a zipper, so if you want to remove it, you absolutely can. Otherwise, it just stays rolled up in the back. At night, when you're ready to go to bed, all you do is fold down your cushions, roll over your covers, which get attached with super strong Velcro on the bottom, and if you need to, you can actually pick them up and put them away. If not, it all looks really streamlined and beautiful even when it's covered.
But Orly, what about those cute pillows you had on the couch a minute ago? Where do they go? Hold please.
Yep, those guys fit in the cushion as well. Just fold them down right in front of the top cushion and cover them up.
You can't stump me. You can't stump me. It is time for the details of the giveaway so you guys can get your very own outer couch, which you will love just as much as me. All right, dudes, that's it. Enter the giveaway. This is an incredible couch. You're gonna want it, you're gonna love it. I'm clearly a huge fan of it. This is not fake excitement. Can't wait, I get to have one in my own backyard and enjoy. See ya.